Now we are going to study properties of rational numbers. There are one, it is a closure property, two, commutativity property, then associative property, and associativity is, we call the role of 0 for rational number, the role of 1 for rational number, and the distributivity of multiplication over addition of rational number. Okay. Now, properties of whole numbers. Now let us let us study for whole numbers. When we add two whole numbers, then we get a whole number. See, look here. That is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, and 0 plus 7 is equal to 7, etc. So implies whole numbers are closed under addition. Okay? It's okay. Now subtraction. When one whole number is subtracted from the other, then always we do not get a whole number. Yes, that is, we do it 7 minus 9. It is minus 2, which is not a whole number. Similarly, I give you an example, that is minus 5 and minus 5. Then we get it minus 12. That is also not a whole number. So the whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. It is not closed under subtraction. Now we come multiply. When we multiply two whole numbers, we get a whole number. That is 5 into 4, 20, 16 into 8, 128, etc. Okay, 128, etc. Implies whole numbers are closed under multiplication. Okay? Then comes division. These are the four fundamental operations. Come divisions. Division 5 divided by 7. That will be 5 by 7. Yes. Then 5 by 7 is not a whole number. Implies whole numbers is not closed under division. Okay. Now comes integers. Integer is that addition. For integer addition, when two integers are added to each other, then we get an integer. Yes, suppose minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2, or minus 6 plus of minus 7, then we get minus 13, so on. Implies integers are closed under addition. Okay. Now subtraction. When one integer is subtracted from the other, what is the result we get? We get an integer only. So therefore, integer are closed under subtraction. Okay. Now multiplication comes when we multiply from here. When we multiply two integers are multiplied, then we get an integer. Suppose two integers went to integers are multiplied, we get an integer. Implies minus 3 into 4 is minus 12, comma 16 into minus 2 is minus 32 by is minus 8. 16 into 32 is minus 8. So the whole that is integer is closed in our integers are closed under multiplication. Okay. Now division. Minus 5 divided by 5 is equal to divided by 7 is equal to minus 5 by 7, which is not an integer, implies integers are not closed under division. May I repeat?